So you're editing a screen recording in DaVinci Resolve, and you got a section here which you need to cover up. What we can do is add a solid color layer on top of the video clip and crop it so it covers the unwanted area. When we now change the color of the solid color in the Generator tab and use the screen color picker to select the color, we get a perfect match. This works perfectly in DaVinci Resolve for Windows with the default settings. However, if you're using a Mac, this will not work out of the box. Let me switch to DaVinci Resolve for Mac and demonstrate it. Here I have the same clip, and just as before, I'm going to add a solid color fill and crop it. I can now use the color picker to select the color of the background panel, but as you can see, it is somehow not the same color, even though it was selected with the color picker. The main reason for this is that macOS works a bit different than Windows with colors on the screen. In this short video, I'm not going to dive in the color management rabbit hole, but show you a quick fix that works for me. Open up your project settings and under the color management section, set the color signs to DaVinci IRGB color managed and set the output color space to SDR sRGB. Now, we can close the project settings and go back to the solid color layer and reselect the color from the screen. Awesome! We got an exact match right now. If you really want to get the right output color for your screen recording, we also need to tell DaVinci what color space our screen recording is. In the Media panel, right-click on the screen recording and from the input color space, choose sRGB. Keep in mind that this option is only available after we turned on the options of managing color. The clip will now have the correct color, but as you can see, this mismatches with the color we sampled earlier for the solid color. We can just reselect the color and it will perfectly match the color from the screen recording. So, if you encountered this issue while editing your screen recordings on a Mac, you now know the solution. Hope this helps, and thanks again for tuning in.